What's up, guys? It's Thursday. We're doing a little quarantining, self-isolation. We haven't been going places or anything, but we're letting a couple dudes come over today, and we're gonna rip us some pit bikes, make y'all a video. So be sure and like and subscribe. Right there, like and subscribe. Click that button if you haven't already, all the subscribers. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. I ran my phone over with the tractor while I was doing some work, and I lost a lot of videos, man. A lot. So, a little sunburnt. We've been tearing it up. Watch this. Y'all want to see what's cool? When you know you actually ride your bike? This ain't no show bike. Okay? So don't fucking show me your bike. I don't want to see it. I want to see you ride your bike and eat shit. Then I'm entertained. So you guys stay tuned. Check it out. Token Moto 191 is going to be here. So he's going to do some riding with us. And his buddy Schmitty Brokefoot. Y'all check both of them out, because I don't know what their story is. We'll find out. But they both want to ride some pit bikes, so we're down with that. Keep in mind, guys, if they can get within 6 feet of you anyhow, you're slow. So you should, on a pit bike, you should be able to have a good buffer zone. You know? And you can throw the dirt up, you can roost them, you can brake check a motherfucker, however you want to do it. But if they get too close, it's your fault.
Oh, yeah,
what's that?
Bro. I think this one's ready to hit, guys.
Nice, bro.
Do this right here.
And you're gonna try and land over there.
And I'm gonna.
You are going to. Not that tree.
But I just want to also point out how smooth the landing is. There's just a bunch of real nice craters. See, this is convex.
He tried to get that shovel to drag up. No, man, that's gonna slow you down. That way you don't hit the tree or the fence.
That's what I'm aiming for. Yep.
You good for it? Take that to the bank.
I have to hit it in third because I'm bogging out real bad at the top of second. But fuck it, I'm gonna send it.
No helmet on. Brilliant. Yeah, you gotta come in slower and then accelerate. You can't carry it through. You can't carry it through.
The first time I should have hit it because I would have.
Oh, because I was going to. Oh, dude, you had plenty. He spring bounces that thing so good. You want to tell him, Token, or you want me to tell him?
Apollo versus Apollo.
He wants to fucking race you.
I don't even have my racing butt plug in today, but boys, we gonna send her.
Never would it hit.
Bottom. No,
no.
You ready for a demonstration?
No, don't hit the rev limiter and call it bogging.
That's not bog.
That's not bogging.
No, dude, at the top of every single gear, it just bogs out. All the way at the top, dude, there's something wrong.
Try shifting it. Just try it for me.
My transmission's out.
Tell him what's up. Who is this?
All right, my name's Blake, and I'm...
Come on. BBR sticker on.
What do you mean when I put it on? This is a BBR.
You ready, Token?
Yep.
2, 1. You dumped the clutch trying to start it back up.
Oh, of course, because
and then the Kickstarter hung how many times?
The whole time.
When I drop this daggum Bud Light, you go. 2, 3. Now we got us one. Sounds like Blake's bike already died. I hear the chain plinking. Nice. Oh, no footered on it.
I'll give it any guess.
Twice the shit out of the gas.
Well, he said it when I was during the fucking throttle.
Yeah, you wasting battery and SD card space, man, on a time like this.
Just try and get it top dead center once. It's self-affirmation. See? Hey, dude. Never quit.
Never quit. I'm getting the fuck out of here.
I was aiming for the bike, dude. Why did you steal the bike? I was trying to. Damn, bro, you can blow the back shock out kickstarting. Doc, fuck off. 6 feet, bro.
Oh, it's not bad.
6 feet.
You hear that?
Dude, he's getting close.
See? You see? You see? Oh, it don't just die. It don't just die. Oh, we're gonna have competition.
I hate the SSR swing arms for Willies, man. Damn.
It's like the idols though. I gotta keep revving to keep them alive.
Just twist it right here. That way, when you make your first left turn, dog, it just fucking.
I never twist it. I only bop it.
Yeah, dude.
Sometimes I pull it.
A lot. Well, you twist it while you pull it.
Got it.
Careful going down. Careful, dude. If you get the wrong angle, you're going over the bars, bro. Hold on. No, it clears.
Dude, it clears, bro.
It won't clear it in some mud, but it'll clear. Going on 2. I know you guys are hungry. Don't go on 2. It's a fucking rev limiter, dude.
That's not rev limiter.
2, 3. Let Watkins with the whole shot on the boys. Blake has yet to make it through this next corner without fucking it. He's had the whole shot every time, guys. Let's see if he makes it out of the corner this time. Now we got us a race. Chains a flopping and a popping on these RNGs, guys. Cleared it easy. Oh yeah, baby! You there, man? Whoa, whoa, whoa! You gotta save him from himself. Hey, easy on the bike. Shut the race bike down. You got another race. Shut her down. Shut her down. She's gonna get hot. She's gonna get hot. Oh, Blake had a full tank. That's what's wrong, dude. You got too much gas.
Oh, shit.
It was coming out of the
I just
top.
got scared. I was going home.
No, you got another race, dude. You won that one. Don't
Oh,
overheat
yeah.
her. Don't be out here fucking hot dogging.
I'm trying not to. Hey.
Oh, throttle cable's done, ski.
Damn.
All right, bro, bite it with your teeth. Here, we'll take it out right here. You're gonna have to bite it with your teeth like a calf
Get a
roper.
Bluetooth throttle.
Oh shit! I got you almost spilling
I
right
was
here.
like, I slid. I dumped the clutch and it was like, no.
What mod is that?
That's that Smitty mod.
Smitty mod shitty. You said shitty, Rob. Goonin', bro, with no throttle cable. What the fuck? Get him some movies. He don't even have a throttle cable. He's holding them out too. But with his hand.
Don't mind.
No, he don't.
Look.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
What the fuck?
That is crazy. Oh shit! What? Don't move! He almost fucking.
Almost got it. You almost got your video.
I'm almost there, boys. Dum-dum
I think I'm about to try and pull a Superman for the first time.
off that lip.
Yeah.
Now, straighten your bars. Nah, straighten them.
Oh, you want me to straighten them?
What do you want straight, goddammit? The fork,
Which one do you
the
want
bars,
straight?
or the tire?
Which one do you want straight? Yeah, that's the wheel straight.
But you're comfortable.
I'm comfortable.
Mind over matter.
Mind over matter.
Superman, you're gonna do a Blake.
Honestly,
You're gonna do a Blake.
I'm not sure how the physics are gonna work with this amount of air. I think I need more, but
Just do a Blake. Forget the Superman. Start with the Blake. Hell yeah, did it, bro.
was that close?
That's super rare. Go for it, Holmes. One more. One more. You got it. I think I can.
Like a ninja! She's still running!